Hello everybody, listen to me once carefully. Everybody doesn't deserve to know what I am building or how far I have come. I don't need their opinions, their fake support, or their judgments, what they don't know. Some people just won't be happy about your success. The best thing I ever did was stop telling everything what's going on in my life. Not everyone needs to know my struggles, my plans, or my wins. I should not explain everything to everyone. My silence is my weapon. Let them gaze, let them wonder, or let them talk. I don't care. They are jealous because you are doing better than them. I am not here to impress or explain myself. I am here to win and conquer. My journey is mine and no one has the right to interfere. Every step I take is silence makes me stronger, and every success they don't see makes me unstoppable. Let them stay in the dark, but I rose in the light. My success is my revenge, my progress is my proof, and my victory will speak louder than any words ever could.